Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Baka magtaka kayo kung anong ginagawa ko. Gusto ko guys ay mayroon akong ginagawa. I don't want that I feel sleepy all the time. And you know what? There's a lot of Indian mango there over there. Did you see that? Oh my god, there's a lot there. And I have a plan to use, tirador to get some of that mangoes maybe later. By the way, guys, this is my plants. I have a plant. Some of that it's here side this row here in this area. There's a long bench already. That's why there's a tree. Where that all my plants is bent. What do you call that? Ayun, nakalimutan ko na naman guys. Basta yun na yun guys. Diyan mag-aano, magro-rolls ang aking gulay. At dito guys, in this row, this area, I want to plant lettuce fingers and gingers and long beans too. I want to bind there, I'm waiting that they're gonna be bind to that branches of tree over there until here side. That's why I put that here for my long beans. And I'm looking forward guys to see more because I have a plan to plants in the mountain. I want that someday I can harvest a lot of that there. Yes. Yun lang guys. Thank you nga pala. Baka magtaka kayo kung anong ginagawa ko. Nag-gardener ako. Yes, to start a new life. No guys, I need to do this for my own way to not to sleep always because I always feel sleepy in daytime. Kakagising ko lang, kailangan ko na naman matulog kasi inaantok na naman ako. And it's good idea because I always open my store, baka gusto niyo dumalaw sa Antaran's Little Cues. It's here, over here. Yes. Punong-puno ang aking tindahan kahit ako'y tingnan mo guys. Puno yan guys. Lights on. Yes, my store is look like that. And I want that I need to continue this for nanay, of course. I know that we need a store for what we need every day because if we need something, we don't need to go somewhere and buy because we have our own already. And beside that, I earn a little and I'm enjoy what I'm doing in life. Yes. And you know what guys, if you stay in the Philippines, you need to be clever enough to hold your money. Even that you spend, as long as you have an income, there's no problems about it to have material things that you need. Because people needs that. It's people's happiness. It's like a gift for yourself that you need to buy for your own, in your own way. Yes. I'm so very clever enough to hold money. That's why I can buy what I want to. Yes. Bukod sa nag-YouTube ako, I know that someday, not now, someday I can have my salary in YouTube. And I'm very thankful that my family support me, especially here. They help me to look after because I'm the one only. And later guys, I will make another ice candy because after 2 days guys, the 400 ice candy is gone, di ba? I earned 400 in 2 days for ice candy only. So I'm so lucky. Maybe because there's a student and later I need to wait again because it's gonna closing soon. I think March, month of March. I'm March and I need to wait again in June, month of June. So I need to continue. I need to continue what I'm doing every day, guys. Kasi guys, if you are in the Philippines, you need to be clever. How can you survive for living? First, you need to think if you have a money, keep it and think how can you earn more or how can you make your money more bigger. Okay? That's it, guys. By the way, thank you for watching. God bless you all, and enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels if you're new and you're just still, watching my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Please subscribe, and I hope that all of your friends subscribe too. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.